Well, good day and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start our trip in a little town of Busstleton and work our way down the Indian Ocean coast to Augusta. Well, what's Busstleton famous for? Let's have a look and see. This jetty is about 2 kilometers long or something, I forget, but I'm not going to walk up there fully dressed in motorcycle gear. Some people are going, but they're dressed better for the occasion. Here's Brian, he's all geared up. A little bit less gear this time. Well, it's only a 2-night trip, so didn't need to bring everything with me. Just a few clothes, a few tools, that's about it. Well, we're on our way up the coast and we're in a little place called Dunsborough, which is very popular with some people anyway. I'm not fussy on it myself, but you know, everyone's different, so we'll take a bit of a ride around and get some footage, and you can decide that for yourself. It's not my sort of place, but you make your own decisions. Well, the first step in our trip, and this is Cape Natural S, I think it's pronounced. Now the lighthouse is just out of sight, so just around the corner a little bit. But this is the Indian Ocean again, and right over there, that's Bunker Bay. Lighthouse just around the corner. A few caves and stuff up there look interesting, but I'm not going up there. I'll fall and break my neck. Here we are in Prevelly Beach, surfers' paradise of Western Australia. Now it might be quite difficult to tell, I can't even see the screen, but there are people out there surfing, little specks in the horizon looking for sharks. Speaking of sharks, every year there's a couple of fatalities. Sometimes here, sometimes in other little spots along the coastline. Just in the distance there is the little town of Prevelly. Not much there except a shop, but plenty of rich surfing dudes live in it. Now, I have come across this handy little map, and that's where we started this morning. That's Busstleton, and that's Geograph Bay, Cape Natural S, and we're down here at Prevelly. And then we're going to Augusta. Okay, this is the entrance to Calgardup Cave. One of the many caves that were actually on Caves Road. It's one of the many caves that are in the area. I don't know if this GoPro will work in the dark. Yeah, we can see a little bit down there, just in the door at the minute. But we'll have to go down into the dark and put the light on. This one looks interesting. Let's go this way first. So quite a bit of natural light in here. It gets deeper and deeper. That's just quite a good bit of natural light in here. One way in at one stage. Let's go further. Then let's see if we can see anything at all. There's two lights. No, it makes no difference really. Tree roots hanging down from up. Up another flight of steps. Just been dripped on really badly. Yeah, you can still see a little bit of light coming in there. I don't know what we can see, but we are at a place where there's no natural light whatsoever. And we're going to duck down and go through this really low bit. Almost on our hands and knees here. My hands and knees. I'm sure your hands and knees are fine. And then we stop and look around. Very interesting things. You wouldn't need to be claustrophobic. Oh, that's pretty low. Oh. Oh. And here we are at one end of it. Cave's End, it says here. You have walked the full extent of Calgardup Cave. Please retrace your steps to the entry or visit the other side of the cave. I think we'll visit the other side. Maybe in a minute. They are fascinating things, caves, aren't they? If it wasn't for me talking away here, it would be very quiet. Without this light, it would be very dark. Sit down, turn off your lights, and experience the cave darkness. Ooh. Yep, that's dark. Okay. Part 2. Lost my breath there. I had so many steps to climb. It's up People just climbing out up there. The water down there. See any fish in it. Just watch the heads there, people. Okay, through the tunnel we go. Maybe it's collapsed. Touch that. Yeah, I suppose these things do collapse every now and again. Don't want to be in here when it does though. Wonder what's up there. Maybe a tunnel up there too. Duck the head. I suppose in the days before they built these rails, people just clambered about all over the place. Get a candle and away you go. Now that looks like a huge snake. I'm guessing it's just tree roots. I hope it's just tree roots anyway. Cave's End. Yeah, it must be tree roots. Looks like they come right the way through the rocks. Whew. Welcome to the beautiful Hamlin Bay. Not sure what that little island thing out there is. Fishing boat, some rocks. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Well, here we are. We're nearly the end of today's trip, and we are at Cape Naturalist. I think that's the right word. Lighthouse, or Cape Lewin. I keep getting these capes mixed up. Now, I am very fortunate enough to know the bloke whose dad was the very last lighthouse keeper in this lighthouse, and they lived up here. Well, we're right at the point where the Indian Ocean meets the Southern Ocean, and which marks pretty much the end of day one. Probably not so easy to see on the GoPro, but with the naked eye you can actually see the two seas meeting. Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. Indian Ocean on the right, Southern Ocean on the left. So that pretty much marks the end of day one. I have a room in the hotel in town, so I'm going to get some sleep there, and we'll continue on tomorrow. Well, that's Brian, just about finished for the day. And that's me, just about finished for the day as well. If you enjoyed this channel, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.